Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings because Chrome OS centralizes language options. Open the system tray, tap the gear icon, and confirm you're in the profile you want to change. Once done, use the search box at the top and type Languages to jump straight to the right panel. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected so Chrome OS can download language resources. This gets you to the actionable page quickly without extra navigation. Next, we add and prioritize the language you want. You'll add the language and then tell Chrome OS to prefer it. Click Add Languages, pick the language, and confirm. After it appears in the list, click the three-dot menu beside it and choose Move to Top to prioritize. If available, select Display Chrome OS in this language to change system text. Also enable the matching input method and spell check so typing and suggestions fit. Once the language is prioritized, Chrome OS may prompt a sign out or restart to apply the change. After you move the language to the top and request Chrome OS display, sign out or restart to apply the change across menus and notifications. When you log back in, verify keyboard layout and input methods match the language. Add a layout if characters don't map correctly. If the language doesn't appear or text is still in the old language, make sure Chrome OS is up to date and recheck Add Languages. Downloaded components sometimes require an update and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.